Good, happy Monday morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Woman suffers serious injuries after being struck by train in North Conway. A 50-year-old woman suffered serious injuries when she was struck by a train in North Conway on Sunday afternoon, officials said. The woman was struck about 3 p.m. by a Conway Scenic Railroad train on tracks behind the McDonald's and Hampton Inn and Suites on Route 302, a North Conway fire official told WMUR. The woman was taken to Memorial Hospital and then airlifted to another facility with injuries to her head, torso, and legs. Susan Lang, marketing manager for the Conway Scenic Railroad, said that the train's engineer used a horn and lights to try to alert the woman, but she didn't move and the train couldn't stop in time. The woman was trespassing on the tracks, Lang said. The train was full of passengers at the time and on its way back to the station, Lang said. Nobody on board was injured. Conway police are investigating. And that is it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.